Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the full backpack in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. After you get new items, the items will be placed in the backpack and sometimes your backpack will be overloaded. And I'm going to show you guys how we can prevent the overload or the full backpack. Okay, to fix the full backpack, I would like to recommend you to store your items. For example, I'm just going to store this nightstand and also this wall cabinet. So we can just select the items that we want to store and select store. Okay, just like this, and click on store, and then the items will be moved to this menu. These are the items I've stored, but remember guys that you can only store your items at your house. And if you want to make the items go back to the backpack, just carry it. For example, I'm going to carry this gem. Okay, we can click on carry, and then the items will be added to the backpack. Okay guys, and that's how you can fix the overload backpack in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.